Many Aeron users face height adjustment issues, which are directly related to a malfunctional height adjustment cable. In this video, we will show you how to replace your busted cable with a new kit. We're always creating content to solve the most intricate office chairs issues and do in-depth reviews, so please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. First of all, you need to remove the Herman Miller Aeron seat. We have a dedicated video for the seat removal process, which you should check to proceed to this step. Start off by removing the mechanism cover to gain access to the height adjustment cable. The height adjustment cable is supported by a mechanical cylinder activator, so you need to pop it out as shown, then unhook the cable. Since this cable is broken and we don't need it, we just have to force it out with pliers. Insert the new height adjustment cable through the gap, then position it as shown and click it in. Once it clicks properly, it will be functional again. Hook the other side of the height adjustment cable. Once it's hooked, click it in its place. If all the steps were done correctly, the height adjustment cable should be working perfectly fine. Now put everything back by hooking the plastic part to the side as shown, then close the mechanism cover. You're all done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more easy tutorials.